Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Okay. So all of these girls, well, 3 girls here, they're leaving tomorrow. The other 5 puppies are somewhere else. I had to take the other 5 puppies from here to another place because they were just going too far away. They're kind of wandering around and discovering things around the farm, which is something I don't want just before they go, in case I lose them. There's snakes around, as you know. Go, 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 go. And so I put them under a shed. But these girls are the ones that are going. I really like this one actually. Okay. These puppies are great. I really like these puppies. There's something special about them. They're just very well balanced, I think. They are very, very well balanced. Their physical appearance characteristic and also their temperament is, I think it's spot on with these guys. Oh, you okay? Give me a go. Give me a go. Give me. So 5 puppies going tomorrow, 3 of them to Tasmania, 1 to Queensland, 1 to South Australia. These are the girls. Sheep are behind me. They go meh, 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 meh. Hey, you look, I like the way you look. You kind of remind me of Gedja as well. Interesting. Okay, let's go and see the other 5 puppies, 2 of which I'm going to keep. Let's see what they look like. Now, it's been a week since we talked about them, isn't it? Hasn't it? Yep, it has. I thought I'll show you a bit of the sheep. So it's almost 7 o'clock here, and the sheep are slowly heading back to where they stay overnight, which is up behind that tree on the left, in a narrow paddock. Because it's hot, they don't need shelter overnight anymore, so they don't stay where the shed is. They still got plenty of water and plenty of grass. Although it's hot, it has been raining considerably, so I think this summer we're set. We're not going to have any feed problems. And I'll show you. So they've all grown up nicely as well. The ones on the left are lambs, and I think they're really good, especially the closer one. That's going to be a good breeder. Half Australian white, half Dorper. Now let's go and see the other puppies. Okay, so these are the, sorry, I said 5 more puppies, but there were 5 more puppies, but there were 3 there, so there's 4 more here, 7 in total. So these are the puppies. I'm keeping that one, and the boy. This is the boy. Yep. Those 2. But I'm kind of undecided with which puppy I should keep. Okay, so I apologize. Aslan's just there. He's really scratching himself. I think he's got scabies, and these puppies have been with him for 3-4 days. I just realised. Hopefully they didn't get it, but if they did, the treatment's very simple. Very, very simple. So. I usually use topical. Yeah, they're scratching themselves a bit. So it is possible they got it. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so these guys need to be treated with some topical agent. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll go and give Aslan some water now. Aslan doesn't have water. Fill up some water here. I'm out of sight. I did treat Aslan a while ago, but the reason why he's got scabies, Aslan, the big dog, could be that he might have eaten something dead or killed something and ate it, which would have had scabies. So I'm going to take this food away from them because tomorrow they're going to go to the vet. I don't want them to vomit in the car. Sometimes they get sick in car rides. Okay, looks like I'm a bit torn with which puppy to keep now. I was going to keep this one, but I'm going to go and have a look at the other one again. Not that there's anything wrong with him, but the other one kind of reminds me of Geja a lot. As you guys know, Geja died 2 weeks ago. And I don't mind keeping something that resembles her. These puppies are itching. Damn it. They've been here only for a week. And they're already itching. I'll treat Aslan again this week. Let's see how it goes. Okay, bye-bye.